Hi, my name is Nathaniel Bowman. I've created a Tulip app that lets you submit reviews to the user, a user specified email. So once it'll also send the rating or this integer that I have set up as well in the expression. So it's super simple. If you click on one of these stars, it'll fill up put a filled star in there. I can actually reset the rating. That way, if they change their mind or they're trying to think of how they want to review the IT office, which I know sometimes is really hard to review, but if you click on 5 stars already, it'll fill up all the stars. Even if you click on 3 stars, it'll fill up the rest of the stars. So I've added that feature into that way, they don't have to click on every single star. They can just click on the star they think, yes, he deserves a 4 star, or I believe this guy needs 5 stars. It'll do a sound as well once they do 5 stars, as well as throw a message, which you can actually clear it out. You need it at if in my manipulation or in my if happens. So if you click submit, you have to have a rating. So I have to have a rating of something. I can't have nothing because it will not submit. It says you must, and also no message provided. And so you have to submit something. And so once uh, once you hit this, you put your name, say name, and then you go to the review. This is a review of the Tulip app. So once you do that, it'll submit, and then it will send an email to the user, me, and I will receive that email. And I'm thinking about this will be deployed on like some type of tablet or some type of other website. So let's go to the back end, and I'll show you the back end here. So here is what the layout looks like right now. I just have a picture in the back. It's just a simple picture I made in Canva and then the review page. So once let's go to one of the stars and I'll show you the trigger and the star. So I call it star pressed. So when it happens, it's a data manipulation. It stores, it does a storing feature and on a static value of an integer of 1 to my app rating variable, which is an integer variable. Then it will store a new variable of my fill global star into star 1. So it happens every time you click it, as well as when you go to the next one it'll fill the rest of them up. So if you click 2, it'll fill 1. That way they don't have to click on every one of them, as well as move my integer value to 2. And then so forth, 3. We'll have the rest of them, 3. And then on 4, the rest of them. And on 5, the rest of them, including a sound as well as a message. The reset rating actually does a data manipulation on all the stars by putting the global, like a global empty on all the stars itself, as well as to create a sound. Um, Name is simple name, review is review, multi-line review. And the submit button, I have it doing an if condition, say the variable is not blank because I don't want to. I want to be able to see the rating they send me. So it'll send an email to me, and my expression is you received with that variable, the app rating variable, as well as the string here, the variable name, also another string with a review of the review string. That way I can see it in my email what they said, and it will send to me. So that is my Tulip app of reviewing the IT office. Please leave your comments below. I'd love to see what you say, or if you want to add to this, I'd love to progress in this app because this app is really cool. Thank you.